How are we going to arrange these numbers? Find out in this video. Good day learners! Ngayon pag-uusapan natin how are we going to arrange number in ascending and descending order. So pag sinabi natin ascending order, we're going to arrange the number from the least to the greatest. At pag sinabi naman natin descending order, we're going to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the least. So I have here an example. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. Kailangan lang natin malaman yung distance ng isang number from 0 sa number line. So I have here a number line. Suppose we have here a number line. And we have here 0, we have 1, 2, 3, and so on. And we also have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So if we're going to compare negative integers, yung tatandaan lang natin is that yung mas malapit sa 0 is yung mas malaki. So if we're going to compare negative 3 and negative 1, negative 1 is closer to 0 as compared to negative 3. So we can say that negative 3 is less than negative 1. So mas malaki si negative 1 compared kay negative 3. Okay. And of course, yung positive na mga numbers ay mas malaki compared sa mga negative numbers or negative integers. So let us have number 1. We have negative 3, 6, negative 7, and 10. So since ascending order yung binanggit sa instruction, therefore we're going to arrange these integers from the least to the greatest. So uunahin muna natin yung pinakamaliit na value. So we have here two negative integers. So gaya ng sabi ko kanina, kung mas malapit siya sa 0, ibig sabihin mas malaki yung value niya. So if we're going to compare negative 3 and negative 7, negative 3 is closer to 0 as compared to negative 7. So yung pinakamaliit na numerical value dito or yung value niya would be negative 7. So it would be followed by negative 3. Then we have 6. And of course, yung may pinakamalaking value, we have positive 10. So ito na yung pagkaka-arrange niya in ascending order. Okay. Next, we have 5, 15, 0, and negative 9. And since isang negative lang ang meron tayo sa given, so ito na yung pinaka maliit. Then we have 0, we have 5, and 15. And of course, between a negative number or negative integer and 0, mas malaki yung 0 as compared to any negative integers. Okay, last example, we have 7, negative 4, negative 11, 3, 2, and 1. So, yung pinakamaliit would be negative 11, followed by negative 4, then we have 1, 2, 3, and last would be positive 7. Now, what if yung given naman natin ay fraction? How are we going to arrange them? So, before we arrange them, we must know how to compare fractions. Kung sino yung mas maliit yung value at sino naman yung mas malaki yung value. So we have three conditions. The first condition is that what if yung fractions have the same denominator? So kung titignan natin sa example number 1, we have 1/4 and 3/4. So they have the same denominator which is equal to 4. Sino yung mas malaki sa kanila at sino naman yung mas maliit? So to decide kung sino yung fraction na may greater na value, all we need to do is to look at the numerator. So kung sino yung fraction na may mas malaking numerator, ibig sabihin siya na yung mas may malaking value. So between 1/4 and 3/4, between 1/4 and 3/4, 3/4 is greater than 1/4. So 1/4 is less than 3/4. So ito yung symbol ng inequality natin. So 1/4 is less than 3/4. So mas maliit si 1/4 as compared to 3/4. Okay, next example. So, we have 2/7 and 4/7. Again, they have the same denominator. So, titignan lang natin kung sino yung may mas malaking numerator. So, in this case, mas malaki yung numerator ng pangalawang fraction. Therefore, si 27 is less than 4 over 7. So if we're going to arrange them in ascending order, mauuna muna si 27 before si 4 over 7. Okay. Second condition, what if yung fractions naman ay may same na numerator but they don't have the same denominator? Or magkaparehas yung numerator nila pero magkaiba yung denominator nila. So ano yung gagawin natin? How are we going to compare them? So since we have same numerator, let us say we have the example 8 over 5 and 8 over 3. So same yung numerator nila pero hindi same yung denominator nila. So para ma-determine natin kung sino yung fraction na may mas malaking value, titignan lang natin yung denominator nila. Kung sino yung fraction na may mas maliit na denominator, ibig sabihin siya yung fraction na mas malaki yung value. So, between 8/5 and 8 over 3, mas malaki si 8 over 3 compared to 8 over 5. So, we're going to place here yung symbol na less than. Okay, so 8/5 is less than 8 over 3. Okay, next example, we have 10 over 4 and 10 over 7. How are we going to compare them? So again, since same yung numerator nila, titignan natin yung denominator nila. So titignan natin sino yung may maliit na denominator. So we have 4, mas maliit compared to 7. So since 4, mas maliit yung denominator ng first fraction, automatic yung first fraction natin na 10 over 4 has a greater value as compared to 10 over 7. Therefore, 10 over 4 is greater than 10 over 7. Now with the last condition, what if yung fractions have different numerator and at the same time they also have different denominator? Let us say we have 5 over 7 and 3 over 4. So we can change these two fractions into similar fractions. Then after that one, we can compare them easily. But I have another technique. So yung gagawin lang natin is that we're going to multiply yung numerator ng first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. So sila yung magka-partner. And yung denominator naman ng first fraction multiplied sa numerator ng second fraction. So sila din yung magka-partner. So you have 5 times 4, that would be equal to 20. 7 times 3, that would be equal to 21. Okay, titingnan natin yung product nila. Kung mas malaki yung product na nasa baba, ibig sabihin yung first fraction natin ay greater compared sa second fraction. Pero, kung mas malaki yung product sa taas, ibig sabihin nito, yung second fraction natin ang mas malaki compared sa first fraction. So we have 21 and 20. So mas malaki yung product ng 7 at ng 3. So mas malaki yung product na nasa taas, ibig sabihin nito, mas malaki ang 3/4 as compared to 5 over 7. So yung symbol natin would be 5 over 7 is less than 3 over 4. Okay, let's proceed with our second example. So again, parang nag-cross multiplication lang tayo. 1 times 9 is 9. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So since mas malaki yung product na nasa taas, ibig sabihin, the second fraction is greater compared sa first fraction. So, 1/6 is less than or mas mababa kaysa kay 4 over 9. Okay, last example. We have 3/5 and 2 over 7. Same process. 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So, mas malaki yung product na nasa baba. Ibig sabihin nito, mas malaki yung value ng first fraction. So, 3/5 is greater than 2 over 7. So, ito yung mga steps na ito magagamit natin if we are given different fractions. Then, we're going to arrange them in ascending or descending order. Now, it's your turn. Try to answer the following questions.
And that's a wrap. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sir Ninyo. And you can also post your math problems in the comment section, and we will do our very best to provide solution to your questions. Because remember, every problem has a solution, at kung math ang problema ninyo, ako ang kagapay ninyo, ako ang Sir Ninyo.